Guys, please subscribe and help FANS Wethu TV get to 80,000 subscribers. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 2. I'm joined by KG.
Siwo.
Okay.
Sharp as it, my brother.
I'm not member.
Let me say, wish my big boss behind the camera a happy birthday.
Yes.
Mr. Yola.
Yes.
The man behind the camera, the man who never sleeps. He's the one who makes sure that our content reaches the masses. You understand? Happy birthday to him. I hope he had a very lovely day. Steve, I don't know what it has to take for SAFA and the PSL to do something with this rubbish officiating, to be honest. You know, I'm not a controversial person, but somebody has to die one day before they actually do something, these guys. This is unacceptable. What we saw more FMB is unacceptable, and we've been lamenting and crying about this bad officiating. I'm really very disappointed because you can see the magnitude, the capacity, full capacity. Gave me Runage nonsense dementia it Runage Kumbuzo Gaza and his assistants. You understand? So I'm really not happy with this because I think they ruined a very good game of football.
Yes.
Clear offside goal. I still have to look at it on TV, of course. But for me, from where I was standing, it was an offside goal. You understand? So they really need to do something because they are ruining the beautiful game. The PSL and the SAFA have to do something. SAFA have to train their referees. This guy, I think, is also former referee of the season, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know how he got the award. You understand? Because I'm not happy. It's embarrassing. It's embarrassing that a game that was watched by millions of people has to be ruined by these people.
Yes.
The officials, man.
Yes.
Come on. No, it's unacceptable. No. They need to do something. VAR needs to be implemented. But because somebody has to earn. It's gonna take too long for VAR to be implemented, but they must just do an auditing. They must audit these officials.
Where's to end?
Yeah, because this guy, I'm sure, after this game, he's gonna go to Dubai and enjoy the brown envelope. Because, I'm telling you, because how long have we been asking for this? VAR have implemented. They are not implementing it. Sundowns, they came to the game. They come here. They keep position, consolidation phase. They know how to knock the ball. We sit back a little bit. We invite them to us. We get a goal. Beautiful finish from Ranga Chivaviro, one of the best players that we will see this season.
Yes.
Under the mentorship of this Nabi and his technical team. Ranga has never been a bad player for me. He's never been a bad player. He's a quality player. He just needed coaching. He was just a victim of bad coaching. You understand? But for now, let's give him time. Let's give him time. He's gonna give us the results.
Yes.
But once again, I look at Gaston Sirino. Gaston Sirino is for me is not a 90 minutes player. He's not a 90 minutes player. Completely taken out of the game. Gaming. And you know what Sundowns did with Gaston Sirino today? Simple. Bameta 1-on-1 bamupina ka omutreka alenda omutreka from right ayeka mo left amutrek. He was just taking him out of the game. I'm frustrated against his former side. Sometimes you have to protect the player. Just put him on the bench a little bit, bring him maybe a second half because he got the red card. It even made things worse. But you look at the way the team has played. 4-2-3-1. Sundowns, I think the approach was also the same. We managed to move the ball with fluidity. We used some Shabalala, Dudisi Shabalala, to get those pockets. We managed to get those pockets. Unfortunately, we were not clinical in front of goal because we actually got those pockets. We were fluid. We remove the ball and move. If you could see there's cohesion between the players now. I think we are much better than we were last season. We managed to find gaps between the defense. And defense at Sundowns is slow. It's slow, I'm telling you. If we were clinical, we would have maybe won the game. But if you have a referee against you, even if you can score 4, he will. Yeah, you can never win. You can never win.
Hey.
We dominated these guys in the second half. We did our best. We got chances. We got a goal. Of course, I still have to look at that. I don't know if the referee flagged for offside or it was a push, but it seemed like a push.
Foul.
Yeah, it seemed like a foul. But we played. This is, I think we created about 13 chances, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's a lot. So you can see the idea, the mental character, the way the team wants to play, the way we progress the ball into the final third. Final third, we find the spaces, we move the ball with fluidity a little bit, we find gaps, we get the goals. Unfortunately, it wasn't to be because we've got the referee that is against us. Yeah.
Man of the match?
It's Kumbuzo Gaza. He must go and enjoy his brown envelope there in Dubai. If the money is enough to take him to Dubai, he must go on holiday because this is nonsense, to be honest. Sorry, this is nonsense. This is rubbish. What do? Yeah, poor. The worst. Yeah, the worst I've ever seen. Well, you get this guy. We win 2 games. Sundowns wins 2 games. Now we are 3 points down. Obviously, we're 3 points down because of the referee. You understand? So we still need to do something regarding these guys. And Mangoba, I'll be honest with you, Mangoba is tactically bankrupt. Sundowns didn't play. No, Sundowns didn't play. We have to be honest. Sundowns didn't play. They never came.
Yes.
They never came. Okay, they got a goal from our defenders slept a little bit on that one, if I'm honest. They slept a little bit, allowed Ribeiro, not the quality of Ribeiro. Just press Ribeiro and press him a little bit, don't allow him time on the ball. Second goal, they get a goal through referee, but yeah, it's one of those. We'll see.
Thank you, KG.
Sure.
Okay, tactically